I didn't see any red days. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So no red days for me. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely.
So
Excellent. So
yeah.
you're on that 100% strike rate. Start recording. Test, test, test. And let's go. Hello, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah, doing good, doing good. Tell us like a little bit about yourself. Like, your name, where
Um,
you're from.
my name is Ramandeep Kaur. I'm originally from India, but I migrated to United States around in 2013. I am actually Sikh born, but I accepted Islam, so I'm Muslim now.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah. So my Muslim name is Maliha. Well, I'm a nurse originally to start with. I work night shift. I was looking for something to get away from night shift and get away from the bedside nursing, obviously. That's how I got into trading. Well, whatever I learned before seeing your videos was like how to trade resistance, support and resistance,
Mm-hmm.
or, breakout. But I was not really, profitable. One day I will like gain and next day I will lose. But
Mm-hmm.
since I joined you, I think like the profits are like consistent, and I can see myself like being independent, financially free, and get away from my bedside nursing. That's what my goal is actually. And I joined your mentorship also. Beside, I'm using your signals as well. I'm not trading independently because I'm still in phase one. I still have my homeworks to complete. I think I got 3 out of 10 so far. Following your strategy and your steps, which was given to us, I feel like that's making more sense to me. And I have a plan always like, okay, this is my plan. Like, this is my fair value gap. And, I should wait until the trend will go to that side. And you showed us like what to look into this. Like, whenever it reaches to the fair value gap, like raid, market structure shift and return. So those are the three steps I have been following. And, learning the internal equal highs, internal equal
Mm-hmm.
lows, that was like a game changer. I'm not
100%.
gonna lie to you. And
It was
yeah.
100%.
So, and yes, like you were right. Like I think in the video you mentioned like lots of people, they may be like looking in the YouTubes, what is IEH, it's not there. So
It's not
yeah,
there.
like, you made everything so simple that it was not hard for me. Like English is not my first language, right? So understanding, sometimes there are some certain terms it's hard for me to understand, but the way you put it in the words, it's like a layman term.
Mm-hmm.
So it was pretty easy for me to understand. I'm still, practicing. It's not like I'm there, but
Yeah.
I know that if I will like do this consistently 3 to 6 months, I know I can reach somewhere I want to
Inshallah.
be. So thank you so much for that.
100%, 100%. And how long has it been since you've like joined the Signal group as well?
Signal group is 3 weeks now.
And those 3 weeks,
Yeah.
how's that been for you? Say like you're in the positive end, like
I didn't see any red days. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah. So no
lovely,
red days for me. Yeah.
lovely, lovely,
So
excellent. So
yeah.
you're on that 100% strike rate, right? And it's
Yes,
lovely.
for
Like I
now.
said,
Yeah.
right? If you search up IEH, you search up IEL on YouTube, you're not gonna find nothing. Because the thing is now the industry is so toxic. You know what I'm saying? Because
Yeah. Yeah.
anybody can just start making videos on YouTube, and then they don't have any proof to back it up, right? But doesn't
Right.
it help you when you know that like your mentor's out here sending trades live, 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 almost no red days, 100% win rate, green
Yeah.
days, right? That should give
Yeah.
you more conviction.
Yeah, plus explaining it like why
Mm-hmm.
you're taking that trade, what you're
Mm-hmm.
looking at. Even though I know your strategies, but it's like a learning curve for me, like when
Mm-hmm.
you send things, because there are certain things I'm still learning. I am really amazed with the results and I am loving it. Absolutely love it so far. I'm not gonna lie to you, prior to your mentorship, I
Mm-hmm.
took like four courses, different courses, paid
Mm-hmm.
certain amount of money. It's not like I have a lot of money, but it's like, when you want to learn something, you want to spend on yourself, invest
Mm-hmm.
on yourself. And that
Mm-hmm.
was my main goal. But you were the one, I think, which made sense to me. And I'm going to stick to you.
I hope so, inshallah. But yeah, hopefully, inshallah, next week, yeah, not many news, right?
Yeah.
That's the way I trade as well. Hopefully, you pick up patterns from, things that I repeat,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, like in terms of special news, there's moments where usually we want to kind of under risk, and then there's other days where we can keep regular risk, right? So next week also is going to be almost no news because I'll explain it also as I send out the trades and everything, but there are certain red folder news that doesn't affect the way that I trade, right? And you'll see it. Again, it's things that take time, right? Yeah, as time progresses as well, you'll get that same information. I'll also drop the information in the Signal group, right? And then you'll just slowly pick up. One thing I recommend, even when I send out trades, keep a screenshot of it. Have it in your journals. Keep a screenshot, then you can start to see how it starts to look. So I'm gonna explain the portion exactly. So as long as you show up, within that, obviously in the chat, ask those questions, everything, and then I'm gonna go into detail why I still took a buy, even though there was a sandwich. Right? And I'll explain sandwich. Even if the terminology sandwich doesn't make sense, I'll even explain sandwich. Everything into detail. But inshallah, like I said, it's just the beginning, more to come. The fact that you told me how you haven't had almost like any red days, all has been green days, very beautiful.
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, right? And even if the day does come when we have a red day, it's going to be very small. Because if you look to our risk to reward, usually our losses, very small, winners, very big. But the fact that, you have that 100% winner in the signal past 3 weeks, mashallah, tabarakallah. Right?
Yes.
Very good, very good. All right, so inshallah, have a good day. Okay, all right, have a beautiful day, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Assalamu alaikum.